get ready with me to go to LA. Today yung flight namin going to LA. Pero mamayang hapon pa naman. So siguro yung dating namin sa LA gabi na. I think 2 hours ata yung flight. 2 or 3 hours from Las Vegas to LA. Pupunta kami ng LA para ma-introduce ako ni Chris sa ibang family niya, pero especially yung lola niya. Yung original plan talaga dapat is LA trip lang to. Pero since New Year nga, nag-decide na lang kami na dito mag-New Year sa Vegas. Pero excited ako ma-try yung In-N-Out Burger. At tapos yung isa pang burger, pero nakalimutan ko yung name niya. Merong In-N-Out Burger dito, pero sabi ko kay Chris, gusto ko sa Cali kasi parang for the vibes. May patulbo na naman akong pimple. Hindi ko pa nga napuntahan yung Las Vegas na signage. Dapat kasi kagabi, after namin manood ng Sphere, dapat papunta kami doon, pero tinatamad na ako kasi magpapapicture lang naman, di ba? Tapos hindi ko alam ano na yung gagawin after doon. So, sabi ko, wag na lang. Pero, ang ganda ng Sphere. As in, super trippy niya. Tapos, ang ganda ng visuals. As in, if pupunta kayo ng Vegas, yun yung ma-recommend ko na kailangan ninyong ma-experience dito. Now, let's change. I'm going to wear the same pants na ginamit ko yesterday kasi why not? Airport outfit lang naman. But we don't judge here. Pants on. It's a flare pants. And then, this is my top. This top is from Zara. Basic black top lang. For my shoes, still the same. The New Balance, it's 9060. Shoes on. Since it's malamig, gamit ako ng jacket. This one is from Guess. Buti na lang talaga may dala akong isang jacket. Kasi kung hindi, manginginig ako sa lamig dito. And then accessories. I think I'm gonna wear a big earring. Of course, my rings and necklace. Lip balm. This one is from Clinique. Bag. All black tayo today. And shades. This is the whole look. So yeah, bye!